Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, it's Malika's graduation from kindergarten, guys. So taking you guys to be a part of the experience. Malika is officially going into grade 1. Our mother is really overdressed to feel like our daughter is graduating from college.
It doesn't matter. You have to put yourself together.
Yeah guys, so Malika is officially out of kindergarten today. Kindergarten graduation. So of course, them on time. Yeah, we're late. Malika is officially going into grade 1. Yep. Our daughter is getting big. This girl can't believe it's been like just yesterday. We over Spanish Town Hospital. Anyways guys, come along. Thank you. What's this? Oh. Control full.
Should I carry your one? Look at Maria. Maria. You want to take a picture?
Oh. Hi Malika. Oh.
Malika's favorite memory of kindergarten is playing in the water. She loves playing in the water table. And when she grows up, we think she's going to be an IT specialist because she really loves her technology.
That's true. Good job, Malika. Good job. Where's the certificate?
All right, our next kinder we're celebrating today is Tessie. His favorite memory of kindergarten is using Rec and Rex, which is a math learning tool.
Yes guys, so as you can see, graduation is all done. I'm actually back home, just outside relaxing a little bit, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the whole graduation experience and Malika Jade and just the whole works, right? So if you guys are new to the channel guys, Malika Jade, she's our firstborn daughter and she is diagnosed autistic, right? She is non-verbal, she doesn't speak, she can't even say a single word, and she depends on our mother and I for most daily function, most tasks, right? She's unable to do anything for herself, so we are really her support system. To be able to celebrate these milestones, it's a big deal for us guys. Many of you guys might be just saying, oh, it's a kindergarten graduation and stuff like that, but for us it's a big deal because knowing where Malika is coming from to where she is right now guys, we are just so happy. Now, having an autistic child here in Canada, guys, it's no different than anywhere else. It's pretty tough, right? And especially for us because we don't have this, any support. We don't have any support of any family members, so we are pretty much on our own, right? Apologies for the train, guys. We are in Grand Prairie, Alberta, and if you know anything about Grand Prairie, the train is a part of the population. But anyways, our mother and I, we pretty much do everything. We don't have any support really from any extended family members. So sometimes it does get a bit overwhelming. But we have came to the conclusion that this is our life. This is it, this is us. And you know, we love our daughter 100%, and we have to invest our time, energy, effort into making sure that she is loved, she's taken care of, and all of those lovely stuff, right? A lot of times we don't really talk about it, and a lot of times it might seem like we have everything under control, but we do get overwhelmed as well, guys, just like anybody else who's in a similar situation, right? Having a special needs child, guys, it's pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie, not just financially, but emotionally. It's pretty tough, and even though we know that we're doing our best and in the future everything might be okay, as human beings we do get overwhelmed sometimes, right? So I just want to talk pretty much to persons who is watching this video, and you might have a child in a similar situation. You might have an autistic child, a child with Down syndrome, a child with cerebral palsy, whatever the disability may be. I just want you guys to know that you are not alone. Sometimes it can feel like a very lonely road, I know, but you are not alone. There are so many other people, there are millions of other people who are in a similar position as us, right? It's just that people don't like to talk about it, and who's not in the situation cannot really relate and can't really understand and say things sometimes that might be perceived as insensitive, right? And stuff like that. Like, for example, I heard a co-worker a couple months ago talking about how much her child speaks. Oh my God, I wish they would talk less. They talk so much, the other. And I was just listening, and I'm like, there are some other parents who just wish their kid would just say 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, right? So if you have an atypical child, be grateful. Be grateful that your child is not in a category of special needs. And the thing that you might be complaining about, know that there are other persons in the world who wish they're in your situation. That's what I would say. But back to persons who are dealing with a child with special needs, I would like to encourage you guys, just keep doing the best you can. Just know that it's all about allowing your child or your children to reach their full potential, to reach their self-actualization, whatever that may look like. Unlearn the expectations that you have society put on your child to reach certain milestones. Ignore your own preconceived expectation of what you expect in a child, and just allow that child to be themselves, allow that child to grow and to be the best version of themselves, whatever that may look like. Because as you guys can see from our videos, Malika is a very happy child. She's non-verbal and all of the special needs, but she is in her own way a very, very happy child. And that is all we can do. We can just try to make sure that we create the best opportunity for her to, you know, be happy, grow well, and know that we are there for her. And even if we have to take care of her until she's 100 years old, that's what we are here to do, because really and truly we don't have anybody else to do it, right? A lot of persons glad that they're not in the situation, and the other set of persons don't really care. So it's up to you to really take care of them, right? How do we feel now that Malika is going into grade 1? I'm not gonna lie, we're freaking terrified, because we know kids can be bullies and kids can be horrible sometimes, of course, based on the homes that they come from. But to be honest, we're also optimistic. We're really happy that she's able to still be able to integrate into the regular school system. When she just started school in pre-K, we were very scared of letting her out. Same thing with kindergarten. So we're just gonna have to get over that fear and just allow her to go and see what comes of it. So that's where we're at, where that is concerned. One step at a time, one day at a time, that's all we can do. Malika's birthday is also coming up, guys. Her birthday is on the 17th of July. We have created a birthday wish list for Malika. If you guys want to bless us and bless Malika, you can check out the wish list. The description is right in the link right down below. Just know that it will mean a world to us. Just if it is that you guys can support us by supporting her, that'd be amazing. There's just some toys, some little stuff that we think that she would like, because of course it's a guessing game. She can't tell us what she would like, but you can check out the wish list. And if you feel like you want to bless Malika, that's an option that you guys can also do it. All of the persons who have been here from day one, guys, we really appreciate the encouragement that you guys are always giving us towards Malika as well. Sometimes we feel so low, and it's your comments that pick us up from that lonely place. So we really appreciate all of the comments, all of the love, especially all of the support that you guys are always sending, right? If you guys have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, please like it, please comment, because when you do that, it really helps us out. And of course, we do get a kickback from YouTube now, and that definitely goes into helping support my family, to include Malika. If you know anything about special needs, it costs a lot. The amount of resources, and it doesn't matter if you're in Canada or if you're in Jamaica or if you're in the US, you do get access to resources, but it's still gonna cost you for the other resources. So please just support us by liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. And I just want to say a big welcome to all the new subscribers. We're officially over 6,000 subscribers. Guys, this is amazing. Like, I didn't thought that we would have been in this situation. Like, we normally see people doing YouTube, and we normally see people growing, but we don't never ever thought that we were gonna be the ones who are over 5,000, over 6,000, and it's just amazing. And I'm just really excited to see what the future holds for this channel. We'll continue doing content that is beneficial to you guys. We'll continue doing content that is somewhat entertaining. We'll continue doing content so you guys can live vicariously through us, so you can see what Canada has to offer, the good, the bad, and the indifferent. So we'll just continue doing what we're doing, guys. And you know what, road to 10,000, why not? Road to 100,000, why not? We never thought I would be even over 1,000 subscribers. It took us probably 2 years to get there, but nonetheless we are here and we are continuing growing. And we just want to say thank you, we just want to say welcome, and we just want to say big up on yourself. All right, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.